Your medicine is on the table. Don't forget it again.
Thank you.
The nurse didn't come today. I can't do everything for you, Joseph. I have enough already.
I will manage somehow.
Manage? You can't even stand on your own feet. What will you manage?
I know my condition. You don't have to remind me every day.
Papa, I have class. I'll be late if I don't go now.
Study well, Beta. Do your best.
Papa, I'm going for practice. The coach is strict today.
Then play harder. I'm proud of you both.
I have dinner tonight with David and some of Father's friends. Don't wait up for me.
How often do you meet him now?
Don't start, Joseph. He helps Father with work. He understands the world we live in. You don't.
I understand more than you think. Too much, maybe.
You just sit here staring out windows thinking about your past. I move the world outside. Someone has to.
Once, I had a world too. It slipped away.
You lost it, Joseph. Don't try to put that blame on me.
I blame myself, but I will never blame our children.
Then don't. And listen carefully, the nurse says you need long-term care. I cannot keep rearranging my life around you.
Say what you really want to say, Mary. Stop beating around the bush.
We are considering an old home for you. It's better. They offer professional help. Peace for everyone. That you had already made my life difficult for years. I can't tolerate it anymore.
An old home? Like my mother, I deserve this.
She survived there, didn't she? You will too.
Children, are you ready? Are you okay with this?
I have exams, Papa. I'll visit when I can.
Exams come and go, Manta. But your father. I need you just once.
Coach says we must focus this season. If I miss practice,
Of course. Focus on your game. Do your best. I'll be fine.
The van is waiting at the gate. The home is good, clean, quiet. You will be comfortable there.
Thank you for arranging this place for me.
Don't thank me. Consider it duty.
Enough talk. Let's go.
Mary, when your mother grows old, be kind to her.
What's that supposed to mean?
It means I finally understand what kindness costs, and how cruel it is when it's denied.
Please, Joseph, don't start with your speeches again. We're late.
Papa, do you need anything from me?
Nothing, Beta. Just your time. One day, when you remember. That will be enough.
Come on, both of you. We are already late. Don't drag this.
If you need anything, just press the bell.
Thank you, you are very kind.
We will try a little therapy every day. It might not heal you fully, but it may ease your pain.
Tell me, do children visit here often?
Sometimes. Sometimes not. But we sit with them, we talk. That helps too.
Talking helps, yes, it does. For me? My son, if you read this, I am no longer with you. It will be with you when you need it. Do not carry regrets in your heart. Forgive yourself. Forgive others. Love your children. Visit the lonely. And when your legs are weak, let your heart walk for you. Your mother. Mother, you were always walking for me. Always. I left you alone once, and now I sit where you sat. I will not waste what is left.
Long day, Joseph?
Long life, Nurse Layla. But I finally learned.
And what did you learn?
That love is time. And time is all we ever had. Mother. I'm still your son. I'm learning, late, but I'm learning.